A carton loading system is a loadout will help you to save your production cost a lot, especially for the production of this kind of cups. This system is for you, just a assistant to do. It is stuff work for your to replace your stuffs. Here you can see it can stack the cups here and have it well packed, well stacked here. After stacking, you can see we can have it. Here is the stacking unit of the cups here, and here is the conveyor where you can put to be load your cartons here. And before this area, we can load. After this, we can have this box opening and sealing machine to be connected to the system, to be connected after it. Here is the box opening here. The carton would be opened here and sealed here. Right. After the carton arrived here, when carton comes to here, the well-stacked cups would be loaded one layer after another, and to have the carton be full loaded. So when it comes out, the staff will have it. You can either to have it unloaded manually or automatically. This is the solution of packing carton loading, cups carton loading system to save your labor cost. See you.